Hey, how are you? Welcome back. Mike again with BMW of Bridgewater. Today we're going to be talking about fuel system cleaner. Now, most modern cars are gasoline direct injection. Now, these are very high pressure systems, and over time, the injectors and the whole fuel system entirely can get gunked up with some debris. This fuel system cleaner is very simple to use. You add it right before you get gas. That way when you add gas to it, it'll distribute throughout the entire gas tank. And what it will do is actually help clean out some of the debris that is caught in your fuel lines and in your fuel system to restore any lost performance and gain you power that you might have lost over the years. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe.